Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create Google Passkeys. First, you need to open your Gmail app, then click on the profile, click on manage your Google account, then click on security and sign in, then passkeys and security keys. Then you'll need to type your password. Then here you'll need to click on create a passkey. Then create a passkey. Then continue. Then here you will need to put your pattern or the password. Guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.